Hi everybody, my name is Martin, and in this little video we're going to be looking at comparatives and superlatives. What are they? Well, we use them to compare people and things. Let's begin by looking at comparatives. In this picture there's two cars. Now they're both fast cars, but the first car is faster than the second one. Now, you'll see that I've used the adjective fast for this comparison. How many syllables does fast have? Listen. Fast. That's right, one. So when an adjective has one syllable, we add ER to the end of the word to make the comparison. And in general, we need to use than to show what it's being compared with. The first car is faster than the second one. We can make a sentence or a question usually without than. For example, which car is faster? Now, if an adjective has two syllables and finishes with Y, the rule is different. Let's look at these pictures. So there are two people. One is quite happy, the other one not so much. So the first person is happier than the second one. So in this case, we remove the Y, because happy finishes with Y. We remove it and we add I-E-R to make a comparison. Happier than. With other adjectives that have two or more syllables, the rule changes again. It's slightly easier. We put more in front of the adjective in its normal form. For example, imagine you've read a book and later you've watched the film. You could say, well, the film's more exciting than the book. So we've looked at comparatives. Let's have a look at superlatives. I have a question for you. What's the longest river in the world? Well, the Nile. The River Nile is long, but the Amazon is longer. So, the Amazon is the longest river in the world. Whereas comparatives show the difference between two things, superlatives show differences between one person or thing with others in a group. When the adjective has one syllable, we add E-S-T, longest. And don't forget that we precede the superlative with the. Okay, so the longest. When an adjective has two syllables but finishes with Y, we remove Y again, but we add I-E-S-T. Okay, for example, all the exams were easy, but this morning's was the easiest. And when the adjective has two or more syllables, all we do is put most before to form the superlative. I've watched 3 documentaries this week, but the one about the lions was the most interesting. Okay, those are the rules, but don't forget that there are irregular forms, such as good, whose comparative is better, and superlative, the best. And finally, check your spelling, because if a one-syllable adjective ends in a single vowel and a single consonant, you have to double the final consonant before adding ER or EST. Big, bigger, the biggest. You can always check this in a dictionary to make sure. Anyway, it's time for me to go. I hope this video has helped you. See you next time.